Hi everyone, this is Mayank and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm running short of time, so this video will be little shorter. So I'll discuss the fundamentals, the business and the chart, but very in brief. And also you might get some background noise also today. And this video will go completely unedited because I don't have at all a time to do this. But I find this is a little important video, so I'm creating it in this urgency. So pardon me for all those hiccups you get in the video throughout the video. So I'll minimize the screen, I'll show you the company and everything. So this is the company talking about JSW Ispat Special Products Limited. So this company has products. If you see, this company produces sponge iron, steel, and since they merged with JSW, it's JSW Neo Steel. So this company was formerly known as Monet Ispat Energy Limited, but they merged with JSW. Actually acquired that in the year 2019, I believe, and after that they are called as JSW Ispat Special Products Limited. So this is the business of the company. It's simple steel related business like any other company. Let's go to fundamentals quickly. Fundamentally, this company is not very great. If you see, the ROC and ROE is only 4 and 16. They have a very big debt of 1,570 crores. So nothing from here looks very great. Debt equity ratio is 1.84. That's also not very great. Why the reason I'm investing in this stock? When I'm saying investing, I already made an investment in this company yesterday, and going forward, maybe next week I'll make some more investment in this company. Okay, so I'll directly come to the reason why I'm doing this. So the reason is here. If you go quarterly results, you see their net profit. So they were continuously negative of net profit for last 8 quarters out of 12, but then they started making profit 242 in the year September 2020 quarter, but in that 242 the other income was 308, so we can neglect that part. But after that, when things becomes normal, they are still into positive profit 29, 93 and 63 crores. So that's the turnaround story which I can see after acquisition and when their factory got proper sync up with JSW. This is one thing. Similarly, in profit less loss, if you see, this company was regularly giving negative of profit 857,987, 2,130 regularly. But from last 2 years, they are doing great. Last two is the last financial year only. 2021, if you see, after the every process of their integrated with JSW, they have profit of 211, and trailing 12 months, if you see, they have a profit of 428 crores. And this is the reason why I think this is a story, turnaround story where this company will get profitable, and the results are going to declare on 1st of October. So because of this, if the result comes good, this stock can rally very fast. It happened in the past, it can happen again. And I see, because only because of this reason, there is nothing strong in the fundamentals, but because of acquisition, since the company is having a turnaround, getting some profit and coming out of negative balance, I can see that strong can have a very good rally in the coming days. This is this particular reason. If you see their holdings, so holdings they have 53.17% with promoters. It was 74.35%, but now reduced to 53.17%. FIIs and increased their holding to 2.52. DIs have reduced, but public have increased the holding from 12.25 to 35.47. Expanding it, it's all entirely with public. So this is the fundamental. So I'll not discuss everything. Just the reason I told you, this is, repeat again, this is the actual reason why this is happening. The turnaround for net profit. So if you see the turnaround for net profit here, second big reason is the balance sheet. You see reserves were all negative for last two, minus 1800 to 3400, but slowly they have reserves are coming into positive from last 2 years, 177, 398. And this is the reason why we're discussing it today. So fundamentals done. Let's jump into chart. So if you see chart, this company was hitting continuously upper circuit from here. Then it took a pause, again started hitting upper circuit here. This happened when? So in 26 March 2021, this year itself, and again it fall down again in 20 April, started hitting upper circuit. Now the stock is creating a base over here, and I think this is very important point because this is the same base we're talking about here, similar base, and this stock is relying from last around 1 month in this similar base. And once the result comes out, provided the results are encouraging also to in small extent, the stock can start hitting upper circuit again. Now before I talk much about stock, make sure that this is different than other videos what we discussed in this channel. Every video whatever we discuss has either good fundamentals, good technicals, or good growth story or some kind of sector analysis. But this particular company is completely based on a story what I have discussed before, not based on any fundamentals. So this can be a risky stock. So I'll suggest you that you please take your own decisions yourself and don't just invest in the stock. It's a risky investment which I made, but it's a calculated risk as per my analysis. So you can take your own decision if you want to invest in stock or not. If you just want to see the gain what we can have, So the gain percentage can be from here to here. If you see, it's 116% gain. But the only reason I'm saying this can be the gain what we can get can be very fast. If start setting upward circuit, results comes very good. So this was my analysis on the stock. It's a short analysis on the stock. So if you like this video, please hit the like button, share with your friends and family, and support me in growing to more and more people, reach out to more and more people. So later in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Stay happy, stay safe.